Hello, dear students. My name is Sunil More. Last period मध्ये आपण we were learn about the phase difference and time difference, and we are obtain the equation delta phi is equal to we are obtain equation 2 pi upon lambda into delta t. 2 pi upon t into delta t. This is the equation last period we are obtain delta phi is equal to 2 pi upon t into delta t. This is the phase difference. Delta phi is the phase difference and delta t is the time difference. This is the relation we are obtained in the last period. Today we are going to learn about the phase difference and path difference we are draw the diagram for wave which is traveling along the positive direction of x-axis. This is the y-axis and this is x-axis. We are considered as this is origin. We are say that this point is O, origin. Then this is the half wave, means at that point we are consider this is the one complete wave. The wavelength, this is the one wave, means having wavelength at that point. We are say that path difference means this is the one wave, it is therefore this point is lambda. Then again this is the half wave, means at that point there is two complete wave, means wavelength is 2 lambda. If we are consider center of this, half of this, means this point is lambda by 2. Again half of this point is lambda plus 2 lambda is 3 lambda by 2. Then half of this point is become lambda by 4. 0 lambda by 2 divided by 2 is lambda by 4. Then again we are add lambda by 2 plus lambda by 4, it is equal to 3 lambda by 4. Again lambda plus this half of this, we are consider half of this lambda plus lambda by 4, then it is 5 lambda by 4. Then again half of this is become, we are add lambda by 4, then this become 7 lambda by 4. If we are taken this consider this point is A, this point is B, this point is C, this point is D, E, this F, this G, and this is H. Here we will learn phase difference and path difference. Means suppose the wave is propagating along the string. The wave is, this is the progressive simple harmonic wave which is propagating continuously along the string. Then when we are draw a photo, that is snapshot is taken then at that time, the time is when we are taking the snapshot of this wave, then the time is become means time is stop, but the particles of the medium are in different positions. We are seen time is stop when we are draw a snapshot of this wave. Then we are observed that the particle is present different positions and they are having different path difference. Here we are consider time is same. Here time t is same, means time is same, but the path difference for different particles, we are consider phi 1 is the path difference for x1 particle at the time t, at same time t, and phi 2 is the path difference for second particle which is present at a distance x2 from the origin. Phi 1 is the path difference for first particle which is present at x1 distance from origin. Therefore, we know general equation y is equal to a sine omega t minus kx. Here phi 0 is taken as 0. Phi 0 means initial phase. We are considered as phi 0 is 0. We are considered phi 0 is 0 here. Therefore, this general equation is become y is equal to a sine omega t minus kx. Therefore, means this quantity is nothing but phase. This is nothing but phase. Therefore phi 1 is equal to the time is same. Therefore, it is written as phi 1 is equal to omega t minus kx1, equation 1, and phi 1 is equal to, and phi 2 is equal to we can written as omega t minus k into x2. Equation number 2. If we are given the difference of these two, therefore phi 2 minus phi 1 is become k into x2 minus x1. If we are taking the difference between phi 2 minus phi 1, then the equation become phi 2 minus phi 1 is equal to k into x2 minus x1. This difference we are considered as delta phi. Means this is the phase difference. It is equal to k is nothing but propagation constant. It is equal to 2 pi upon lambda. x2 minus x1 is nothing but delta x. It is nothing but delta x, and this is the equation for phase difference. Phase difference when path difference is delta x. This gives the phase difference for different particles at the same time. Time is same. This equation gives the phase difference of two different particles at the same time. This is the equation first, and this is the equation 2. From these two equations, then again we are learn for same phase. First condition we are learn for same phase. Same phase means same phase means, consider this particle is, we are considered as A, and this particle is E. Then these two particles are said to be in same phase because the particle A is present extreme position and it is above x-axis. Again this point E is again extreme position and above x-axis. Therefore we are say that the particle A and E are in same phase. Also the point C and G are says that are in same phase. This is the negative extreme positions below the y-axis. Therefore these two particles again we are say that in same phase. Therefore for same phase for same phase delta phi is equal to the path difference is written as the time is, if we means path difference is become lambda 0, lambda 2, lambda 3, lambda up to dash, then phase difference is brought delta phi is equal to 0, 2 pi, 4 pi, 6 pi up to dash, means even multiple of pi, and therefore path difference is become that is lambda 2, lambda 3, lambda, and phi difference is become 0, 2 pi up to dash. This is the for same phase. Same phase means when two waves are at a point in same phase, means the crest of one wave coincide with crest of other. Crest of one wave coincide with crest of other, then we are say that they are in same phase. Or trough of one wave coincide with trough of other, then we are say that opposite phase. We are say that are in same phase. Then we learn for opposite phase. For opposite phase, the phase difference delta phi is become lambda by 2, 3 lambda by 2, 5 lambda by 2 up to dash, and phase difference is become for opposite phase, means crest of one wave coincide with trough of other, means we are say that they are in opposite phase. Delta phi is equal to become pi, 3 pi, 5 pi, 7 pi up to dash, means odd multiple of pi. These are the some conditions for same phase and opposite phase. Understand, please note down these points. We are taking some numerical on these points. Note down these points. We are taking some problem on this points. Numericals. Write down first numerical. If y is equal to 0.2 sine 2 pi into bracket small t upon capital T, small t upon 12 minus x upon 5. Find the difference in time. Find the difference in time. Find the difference in time. Find the difference in time between two positions of same particle. Between two positions of same particle which has 60 degree phase, 60 degree phase difference. Find the difference in time between two positions of same particle which has 60 degree phase difference. We can find the time difference. Time difference, that is delta t. Here we are given phase difference delta phi is equal to 60 degree. It is equal to pi by 3. 60 degree means pi by 3. We are comparing this equation, comparing y is equal to a sine 2 pi into bracket small t upon capital T minus x upon lambda. And we to find delta t is equal to what? Delta t is equal to what? Means we are find time difference delta t. We are given phase difference delta phi, it is equal to 60 degree, it is equal to pi by 3. Comparing this equation to this equation, then t is equal to capital T is equal to 12 second. All quantities are given in CGS system, are in CGS system. CGS system. Therefore, t is equal to 12 second and lambda is equal to 5. Lambda means wavelength is equal to 5 centimeter because it is CGS system. We use the formula. Therefore, delta phi is equal to 2 pi upon lambda into delta x. You can find delta t. Time difference we can find for same particle at different positions. Therefore, it is equal to delta t delta phi is given 60 degree is equal to, it is 60 degree means it is equal to pi by 3, it is equal to 2 pi, lambda is equal to 5 centimeter means 5 into delta t. Into delta t, here this pi get cancelled and we can find delta t. Delta t. We can find delta t. Delta t is equal to this 5 is goes to here and 2 is goes to here, means we get delta t is equal to delta 2 pi upon t. We can use the formula 2 pi upon t, sorry 2 pi upon t here, 2 pi upon t, and t is equal to 12 because we can find time difference, therefore 2 pi upon t into t is 12, it is 12, therefore 2 1s are 1, 2 6s are 12 and 3 1s are 1, 3 2s are 6, means we get delta t is equal to, we obtain equation delta t is equal to 2 seconds, means therefore this 2 is goes to numerator, means therefore delta t is equal to 2 seconds, and this is the answer. We are used formula this delta phi is equal to 2 pi upon t into delta t. Therefore we get the difference in time delta t is equal to 2 seconds. This is the answer. So write down this. नोट कर लिया, पॉज करके नोट डाउन दिस, हो गया, चलो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. सपोज क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, numerical number 2, if same equation is given and if we are find the phase difference, find the phase difference, find the phase difference between 2 points, between 2 points which are 2.5 centimeter apart, 2.5 centimeter apart at same time, all quantities given, all quantities in CGS unit, we are find the delta t, we are find the phase difference delta phi is equal to what? To find delta phi is equal to what? We are comparing again this equation, comparing this equation, y is equal to a sine a sine 2 pi into bracket small t upon capital T minus x upon lambda. Therefore, here t is equal to 12 second and lambda is equal to 5 centimeter. We are find delta phi. Use the formula. Delta phi is equal to 2 pi upon lambda into delta x. We are given delta x is equal to 2.5 centimeter. 2 centimeter means this is the path difference. Delta x is equal to 2.5. Put the values, then we get it is equal to 2 pi upon lambda 5 into delta x 2.5. 5 ones are 1, 5 5s are 25, means 0.5. Again these two, delta phi is equal to, we get 2 into 0.5, means delta phi, we get delta phi is equal to 2 into 0.5 is 10, means 1 decimal is here, 1 point, that is pi. Means delta phi, we get phase difference delta phi is equal to pi radian. Delta phi is equal to pi radian. This is the answer. This is the answer. This types of question is asking for NEET exam. Depend on phase difference and path difference. Then write down this.